Birdie bunch. I thought this would be fun. I threw it in the, well, y'all see what I'm about to do. I ain't even gonna tell y'all. This is a blood typing kit. I did get this for my son, but I want to do it on me, and if it's accurate, then I will get one and see what his blood type is, because when he was a baby, they didn't do blood type anymore. I don't know why. When my daughter was a baby, she's the firstborn. She's supposedly A negative. I should need to check her out too. I'm B positive, but I want to see if this is accurate. And I got this from Amazon. It's called the Eldon Biologicals Eldon Home Kit.
Eldon.
Oh. Eldon. It contains Eldon card, skin cleansing swab, Eldon sticks, automatic lancet, plastic dropper, instructions. So, I don't know. I might mess this up. I'll try to read the instructions. I am such not an instruction person. Oh my. Why they got two in here? 2 lancets. I might use the one. My son takes these to test his blood sugar. I might use that one because I don't know. These look kind of, I don't know about them. As long as you get the blood. Somebody in the comments said that they couldn't even get the blood out with those. This is an alcohol swab. This is the actual testing card. This is the dropper for the water. I got water in this bowl. So apparently you need water to mix this up. Now what is this? These are Eldon sticks. See, this is so confusing. And this is actually saying what your diet profile should be based on your blood type. So I didn't even know all that. Oh my gosh, this is too many instructions. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. How long does it take it to dry? Oh, it takes 40 seconds. Oh, you gotta break these apart, y'all. Adrian, you might have to help me. You'll be squeamish.
Probably.
She's squeamish, y'all. I don't understand.
I'm a set.
You gotta, okay, so you, what?
Classy.
You gotta put the blood on here. Oh, so you gotta do, oh Lord, should I read this first, y'all? Separate the Eldon sticks. I did that. Do the lancet. Step 2, release a small drop of water on the field. You gotta put water on the card first.
Oh, right.
Massage, drop, repeat. Stir each circle for, oh, it seemed kind of simple. You know me. I'm gonna mess it up. I was always curious. I didn't know Amazon seemed like they have everything, but I heard Prime is now non-existent at this point. There's the card, guys. Okay. So, are you supposed to put anything on the control? Or no?
Beautiful.
I'm looking at her like she know. Okay, so we got okay, guys. I guess we gotta put a drop on each of these circles I just showed y'all.
A drop of what?
Water. Look at you. Ain't that what it said? Small drop of water within each circular field without touching the colored agents. Oh, see, I was about to mess that up. They can't see. You want to hold it for me, Ada?
Hold what?
The camera. Sorry. So, that's what I... I might have to switch that around real quick, y'all. That's what it had me doing. To the drop. Don't touch those. Alright. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Alright, so I put the small drop in. And I'm doing my finger. This is the alcohol. I'm using my son's thing because I don't trust that. Oh, God. Wow! Oh, you're supposed to massage your finger first.
I'll do that now.
I'm trying.
That's massaging.
We can't really do it. And there you go. Oh, Lord. Where you supposed to put the blood at? Start each circle with a period. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. It's not getting on there. That's not a large drop.
It's a couple drops.
Yeah, but it's not gonna work. How much time I got? 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't understand because this is not catching it. This ain't catching a thing. I don't understand this stick thing because it's not
You need it.
Do I need the stick?
Mm-hmm.
They seem to think, I mean, how else am I supposed to get the blood on there?
My silly self would have just wrote it on there.
And I don't think it's something to do with those circles. You're not supposed to... That don't even look right. How am I supposed to know? See, that's why I ain't want to do him, because I probably would have messed it up. And since I already know my blood type, okay, so we got it on there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now what? Say 10. Guys, so I don't know which one this is telling me it's supposed to be. I am supposed to be positive. These don't look like they're matching up. I'm just gonna have to ask the doctor when she asks for his blood, his usual blood test, because she throw in what his blood type is, because that has been bothering me for these last almost 20 years. But this is fun though. But I don't know if I can afford $7.99 each time.
Right.
You know. This looks like it's telling me I'm RDH something. I didn't even know it was this many blood types.
Right.
Yeah, I don't know, y'all. I probably did it wrong. All right, how much?
A minute.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and look what we're doing on our quarantine. Have you ever done this? Let me know. Let me know if you see what blood type you think I am. I'm supposed to be positive. All right, y'all. I will see you guys next time. I should have watched the video.